Hello friends, today we will talk about how to create a virtual environment in Visual Studio. So we'll go to terminal and open the new terminal window. Then we'll go to C drive and see where we have this Python installed. So in my case I have installed Anaconda. So I'll go to that particular folder, program data, and here you can see Anaconda. And in that you will have the python.exe file. So we'll have to copy this particular path. So I'll copy this path and we'll go to notepad++. So here you can see I have mentioned the path of the anaconda python.exe. After that I have written -m and venv. So venv represents the virtual environment, and next to that we have to mention where we want to install the virtual environment. So I'll just copy paste and enter here. So we'll see it will create a virtual environment. So it will take a little time. So once it got created, so we'll go to that particular path and see how it has been created. So in my case I have installed in D drive, so I'll go to that particular path. So here you can see, so once we'll go to this particular path, so we can see here how it is being created. So it has created the configuration file also. So we will try to open this file in Visual Studio and see what is actually there in that configuration file. So if we open this, here you can see it has home, so the path that I have mentioned from the C directory anaconda folder, and you can see the version also here. So this basically represents which version virtual environment that you have created. Once you create that, you can just press Ctrl+Shift+P and select the Python interpreter. So here first time it will not list down, so for that you need to actually reload the window. So here directly you can type reload and you can select that particular option. So it will reload the window, and after that you can see the newly created virtual environment. So you need to select that. Once the virtual environment is selected, in the below blue screen, blue line, you can actually see it will show the selected environment also. Thanks for watching this video.